Question number 47 and 48 belong to the same passage. Now the passage basically talks about what a growing tendency in recent years to restrict social benefits to those who are now below poverty line is. The idea is deceptively simple: focus your resources on the poor. In practice, this has been a problematic concept, or it has been counterproductive. So the author is complaining about these restrictions and how the entire scheme is slightly misleading. Now let's look at the questions. Question number 47 says, in the passage, the author says that the approach to focus resources to the poor is deceptive because A, or 1, the approach doesn't yield the desired results. We can definitely infer that because he's talking about the entire approach being counterproductive. So desired results have not been produced. Now the approach affects the poor negatively. Now later on in the passage, the author states that the social benefits have actually created a social division, which is a negative effect on the poor. So 1 and 2 are surely they follow from the passage. The last one says the approach is disguised to not benefit the poor. Now the passage doesn't say that it has been done intentionally so that the poor people would not benefit from the scheme. In fact, the passage says that the scheme has not been executed properly. So about the intention of the people who have put the scheme into practice has not been mentioned. So the answer to question number 47 will be C, 1 and 2 only. Question number 48. According to the passage, the concept of poverty line has changed over time as now A, it has become a generic term. It has not been mentioned in the passage. B, it has become a convoluted concept. Again, it hasn't been mentioned in the passage. Option C, different methods of measuring poverty have come up. The passage is again silent on what are the unit of measurement of poverty. D, more aspects have gotten attached to it. Now if you say in the passage it's written that earlier the concept was just a statistical benchmark for making poverty comparisons, but now the concept of BPL targeting has come up, which restricts the benefit of various programs and schemes. So D is the clear answer to this question.